In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could change your difficulty as well as go over all of the difficulty settings here in Resident Evil Requiem. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, when you do begin a new game, like for example, if I hit main story right here and then select start a new game, you're going to see you have a few different game modes right here. You have casual, which is best for new players who want to get a more like relaxed, story focused experience. You get aim assist, more generous resources, easier combat, and frequent autosaves. This mode is perfect if you're brand new to Resident Evil or just want to enjoy the story without heavy pressure. Then you have standard, which is modern. It's essentially a balanced modern Resident Evil experience. You get fair and challenging enemy encounters, but frequent autosaves and a good mix of tension and accessibility. If you want like the horror without the constant frustration, this is the best starting point for most players. And of course, we also have standard classic, which brings back classic survival horror tension. You're going to need to manage your limited save resources. You're going to have to deal with fewer checkpoints and plan carefully before progressing. This is for players who want a more traditional old school Resident Evil feel. Now, once you choose casual, standard, classic, or standard modern, the difficulty is going to be locked in for that entire playthrough. However, if you do choose standard modern, you can also drop down to casual from the game over screen if you are struggling and dying a lot, which means if you do get stuck, if the difficulty does feel too high. After beating the game once, you also unlock Insanity Mode, which is the hardest difficulty in the game. Expect tougher enemies, scarce ammo, fewer resources, and minimal assistance. This game mode is designed for experienced players who want the ultimate survival challenge. But yeah, that is it. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before we do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.